to desert toys.
Good job, buddy.
All right, we're gonna go check it out. You ready?
Yeah. What?
They've got some cool cars inside. Bowling, trampolines, arcade. This place looks fun. The DeLorean over there. It looks like it's a bunch of cars. Oh yeah, that's from Cars too. Yeah,
Oh my God.
that's from the League of Extraordinary Gentlemen and Thunderbirds. Hi. So it looks like this is the go-karts. The kids are a little too young to do that. Yeah, there's the DeLorean.
Like untouched, like it's an actual real stage.
It's a little gift shop. Oh, Rocket Fizz, that's soda and candy. Oh boy. Bass Pro Shop's over there too.
Something
Is
Hornet.
it Doc?
Doc, yeah.
Looks like Doc. Yeah, Hornet right there. Okay, bowling's this way. Cinemark, pinball's over there. Karting and the auto experience.
See a Vespa?
Oh, I see. A Vespa? Like Luca?
It is.
Where?
It is. It's right there.
Yeah, is that like Luca? That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Can't afford that. Oh yeah.
I can see the garbage booty.
You can see a booty. That's Marilyn Monroe. Remember her? Marilyn Monroe. I don't think we can go on that.
Just for looks.
That's from something. I don't know what it's from. Is that lightning?
That's not really
Well, it's kind of like a modified lightning.
modified, yeah.
Okay, so here's the arcade. Yeah. cheap ones at the bottom. And shirts, candy. I like the plush. The kids will want plush. Here, I would definitely suggest them run like specials, like kind of like Dave & Buster's. Makes it a little bit easier to come. Okay. They have the car from the Flintstones over here by the arcade. And then another, looks like a couple cars from Flintstones. Mystery machine, that's pretty cool. It's like a lot of from the Flintstones. It's pretty cool. Okay, so this is the auto museum. This is an extra ticketed event. Dezerland did give us the free passes to show this around, and then the rest of it we will purchase. Oh look, there's Vespas.
That's Vespa.
Yeah, well we can't touch it.
I want that Vespa.
You want that one?
I want the red.
You like the red one? I want them all. Israel. Yeah, just don't touch. Israeli cars. I like the little mini car, you see that? There's cars from France, Russia. Looks like all over the world.
Yeah.
Duesenberg, so I'm guessing Germany.
Yep.
Look at that guy.
There's
But
Betty
this is how you
Boop.
get in your car. You get into it this way, and then you close it.
Yeah, that's different.
That's a trip.
Yeah, don't step on the line.
Yeah, don't step on the lava. All right, there's the Harley Davidson, it looks like. Oh wow, these little things too. This place is definitely not for kids, but it is cool for the history. The military pavilion. Oh, it smells like oil in here.
It does.
What?
I did try to use the scan, but it didn't work for me. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. But you can scan and learn more about it. Cool. That's the Riddler. What is all this? These are like memorabilia.
Also, these are really old.
Maybe they're worth something.
Yeah. This is from the original series. I don't know if it's the same car, but it is from the original television series.
Some more collectible stuff. There's the Villains. Chrysler Lounge.
These were Richmond's car here.
Look at these. These look nice. Alright, so they got the England section here. Professor Fate, I don't know. The Great Race. Is it from the Great Race?
What?
Oh, Fast and the Furious. Oh, look, they damaged that car.
Somebody broke that car.
These are from the movies, Pumpkin.
This is gonna be really cool.
See what they have. Look, there's Back to the Future.
Yeah, the second movie.
Starsky and Hutch. Herbie. Dick Tracy. Yeah. Speed Racer. Miami Vice. Is that the Mini-Me? Mini-Me. That's cute. I like the Munsters.
Mommy,
Look, Monsters were in there. Oh, the Ecto-1. Look, Pumpkin.
Inspector Gadget.
Grease. Oh.
Fantasy Island. That's fun. There's Mr. Bean's car.
Oh, Mr. Bean's Holiday. I don't know. I wish they had like signs. Indiana Jones.
Cool.
That's Daddy's favorite.
Yeah, look at that.
That's the picture.
Terminator right there.
Kit.
Yeah, that's the Knight Rider right here, Kit. And look, a Johnny Cash. You're in a Johnny Cash.
Oh, there it is. Total Recall. This is probably one of the cooler parts. We love the movies. And then Batman.
Batman.
Found Darth Vader. Yeah. Hi, Darth Vader. What'd you think of the Auto Museum?
I thought it was cool. It's jam-packed. I'll give them that. They had two super cool areas. I love the Batman area. That's pretty cool. They have some cool stuff in there. And I also like the movie area. The rest of it's just kind of nostalgia.
Yeah.
But it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's worth it if you really are into cars. Yeah, I definitely come by. Okay, the karting is $16 to $23. Oh, I got some people racing over here. So we got the go-karting here. There's two separate sides. And then the Pinball Palace is here, and the Cinemark Theater is over there. Let's see how much this is. It is $10.50 for 60 minutes, or $25 for all day.
High speed, my favorite.
Oh yeah. Playboy. And then here's another like little section here too. Jurassic Park. There's Last Action Hero, Star Wars, Popeye, Spy Hunter.
Oh, I don't left it.
They left
Oh, it doesn't work.
Oh no, that's why. And then another section over here too. Ooh, a pretty good amount. If you really like pinball, you can spend 10 to 25 bucks. Okay, here's some axe throwing. That's interesting. You can throw your axes. There's a little Rocket Fizz shop over here. Oh wow. Lots of candy.
You guys are missing Mario.
Oh, I know.
Last week we had Mario.
They had Maya. Oh, the Kinder Joys. Oh, look, they got Pocky. Look, just like in Epcot. They have these just like Epcot. You want a lollipop? They got
Well, then it is the same one.
Hello Panda.
There's a sucker for you.
Got a lot of the Japanese.
Tastes good, but you cannot chew.
Looks like they have mint chocolate chip. Wow, Oreo Bueno. So they have some from like Europe. Looks like Europe, because I remember trying this in Spain. See what you picked out. Cool. Lights up. That's awesome. Buddy boy got.
What did you get?
You got a nice little big
Unicorn.
rainbow lollipop.
Unicorn lollipop.
These guys are going faster. We do have a buy one get one, so without the kids, we may come back.
That looks fun now.
That looks fun. That look fun, guys. Woohoo! He's going fast. Vroom.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay.
So the bowling is $17 for 30 minutes, or $32 for 60 minutes. This looks like your standard bowling. Now on the other side, where the arcade is the jump start. So I'm guessing that's the trampoline area. And that is like $10 a person. Free under 4, oh sorry, 4 to 12 is 14 a person. So they have this big area in here too. Maybe you get like certain trampoline set. And the kids can jump around for about 30 minutes or so. I will say this place is huge. There is a lot to do. You got karting, bowling, jumping, arcades, a couple places to eat. I think they're adding more places. They've got the theater, so you could spend a good several hours in here. And then the auto museum was really neat. I'm not into cars as much, but the movie cars were really cool. The arcade is a little bit too pricey to do because it's like $1 to $2 every game, and we could easily spend $200. The district that we filmed before and Dave & Buster's, they have deals all the time. If this place runs specials on the arcade games, we'll definitely come back because they have a really good variety. It's just not worth $1 to $2 a swipe. That's a lot of money. It looks like they have a little Bond lounge too. Some drinks and some appetizers, things like that. It looks kind of cute. It's like Bond themed. And they have a 007 car right there too. I just want to thank Dezerland for letting us do the auto museum. That was really cool. And then we'll definitely be back for date night with the other stuff we couldn't do with the kids because they're a little too young for the karting, but that looks super fun. That'll be something for Rick and I to do.
Stay epic and subscribe for more videos. Go to our channel, subscribe this on our channel, and subscribe for more videos. And subscribe. We're gonna look at our channel. Bye bye.